From the back of the train station here, it's just a short walk to the countryside to begin our Skyline tour around the outskirts of the city of Bath. Positive random message there. Widcombe locks, very tall gates here, take you away from the River Avon into the Kennet Avon Canal. Bloody health and safety, they've taken the walkway away from those gates. Risk on these gates. Oh, that's a hell of a drop, isn't it? No one died. Every so often you see these giant pools. 72-foot long canal barges can turn around. Vegetable rights and peace. Allotments where during the war there wasn't enough food for everybody. We're all on rations, so everyone used to make their own organic food. You can only keep your barge here for a couple of days, and that just prevents squatting. At the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, there was a demand to move coal and food and other goods throughout the country. Of course, the railways were invented just 20 years later, making the entire system virtually obsolete. They found a new use in the late 20th century as cycle paths and recreation. Have yourself some very adjustable clothing, because you'll be going uphill, downhill, along the level, changes of wind and weather, anything could happen. Let's have a look at the view from Bathwick Hill. Back at Bath City Centre, the railway station, Catholic Church, the Abbey, presence of the Regency period. Pay attention 007, this is where we cross off to Cleveland Walk. Just opposite Shamcastle Lane, your footpath up the hill. Victorian post box. There's my old school. I used to go there 36 years ago. Now hit North Road, go up the hill where there's another gate there. On the city tour, catching a great view, which I can't see at the moment. Here's a gap in the vegetation, see all you can see. Oh yeah. Careful crossing the road here. You can get a bit muddy in places, so wear some nice boots. And also a lot of people have untrained dogs off lead, so you might want to defend yourself. Remember, it is an offence in the UK to have a dog off the lead in a public right of way, which this is. You can see the suburbs of Snow Hill and Lark Hall. I used to do my cross-country runs here when I was at school. That hill there with a clump of trees on the top is called Kelston Hill, the beginning of the Cotswolds. Here's the road running up to the golf course, straight across. What a housing crisis. Lots of fragrant wild garlic growing. To me it just smells like wet underpants. We're up at Sham Castle now. So called because it's not a real castle at all. You can see it from many places in the town centre. The Royal Crescent, the circus by those trees. There's the Paragon. In Britain we do having a 3-metre wildlife zone fenced off the side of farming fields. Over a sty and a bridge, and then you're in the university campus. Okay, yeah. At least the New Earth creationists haven't taken over. So carry on straight to the end of this south car park. There's an old English expression, ne'er cast a clout till May is out. Well, that's the Mayflower tree. Does it mean don't take your shirt off until the end of May or until those flowers are in bloom? This is a world-class facility here at Bath University, an Olympic swimming pool. These are the daffodils. Welsh people like me are supposed to wear one on the morning of March the 1st, which is St. David's Day. Past the cats and dogs home down the avenue, and there's a footpath off to the right. This is the one. You can see right into the hills of the next county of Wiltshire, and there's a white horse above the town of Westbury. Glad you got those boots. The cats and dogs sanctuary back door. The signpost directs you to the car park opposite where the footpath continues. Be really careful crossing this road. Must be lambing time now. Sweet! Deer gambling, it is. Little fawn. L'après-midi d'enfant. Wow. There's the black sheep of the family. And it's here, in the hilltop plateaus surrounding Bath, that we find ewes grazing their lambs in late April. Green dress, if I might say so. The complete Bath Skyline tour is about 10 kilometres or 6.5 miles, so off the lead. That's why 8 sheep die every year here. We're up at Coombe Down now, so take a right through Claverton Down. A lovely natural playground for kids here. Oh, here's a mad dog. The bumpy terrain of this forest glade is caused by subsiding mines. Bluebells! At Monkton Coombe School rugby field. For those of you not of the Commonwealth, rugby is a game where 30 hairy-ass men fight over an egg-shaped ball in the mud. The man in the middle is called a hooker, for some reason. Long jump. They've locked it off. Won't stop the cats getting in there. Right next to a school playing field where it says no dogs. There's something about these people that speak to their dogs in English, like they understand. Oh, don't go in there, Pudgy. You mustn't go in the school playground because it blinds children. There's Bearer left here to Rainbow Woods. Come here in early November when the leaves change. Coming up on a spectacular vista of Bath. And that's where all that yellow stone from the mines goes. Still a legal requirement today to build new housing out of the yellow stone. Two planes have been through the same part of the sky. Look, one of them's got a trail breaking up there, nicely. The other one's trail stayed there.
Come on. No, come on, Charlie. No, come on, sorry.
It's like the cover of a jigsaw puzzle box. I wouldn't want to put all the greens and the buttercups together though. There's Rainbow Wood House. There. Lovely. Onwards and upwards. My base coat for my tan is beginning. Heading back downhill now. Time to keep warm or I'm going to get a chill. Forget-me-nots. Imagine that hill would be treacherous after a fresh drop of rain. Crossing another main road now. This is Widcombe Hill. Again, look at those views. Turning really obvious here, mercifully, into Smallcombe Vale. Nobody's that thirsty. This Skyline walk is warming up to a spectacular finale. This is the eponymous skyline here. All those trees, any time of year. Smallcombe Farm. How scenic is that? Bath, a town of only 80,000 people, quite compact, so wherever you are, you're not more than 15 minutes walk from the countryside. But house prices here are quite ridiculous. Downsizing from London that allows you to afford to live here. Or in all humility, people that are way more skilled than I am and earn more. Picturesque chapel there with a very conical roof. What was the Skyline walk around Bath? Hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm really looking forward to some water. Brings you out into Horseshoe Walk. I'm going to take a left to the canal near where I started. Nice number plate. And here we are, back where we started. You can only marvel at the genius of someone who put a sundial in the shade of a house. Really looking forward to that drink now. Oh, I see. This was the safe way around on the pavement. You live and learn. Ah, Widcombe High Street. Now for that drink. What? Back where it all began at Bath Spa train station. You need somewhere to keep your luggage. Drop it off at the luggage storage centre here.
Welcome to Bath Luggage Storage Center. Your luggage is insured. We have large storage spaces when you arrive in Bath, just before you check in into your accommodation, or after you have checked out with prior booking at www.bathluggagestorage.com. www.skylinescenic.com.